Hello friends, we will now study one important part of the boiler. In the form of question, we will try to study this. Now the question is like this: define boiler mountings and accessories. Along with this, explain air preheater. So this is the question, I will repeat. Define boiler mountings and accessories and explain air preheater. Now friends, our first small question is the definition of mountings. So what is mountings? These are nothing but various fittings or devices for required for operation and safety of the boiler. Various fittings or devices required for operation and safety of the devices is known as mountings. Coming to the accessories, again various devices required for increasing the efficiency of boiler. Various devices required for increasing the boiler efficiency, they are known as what? Accessories. Now one or two examples of mountings, say water level indicator, steam stop valve, feed check valve, fusible plug, all these are pressure gauge, temperature gauge. These are nothing but mountings. And accessories, we have three important accessories: air preheater, economizer and superheater. So our next question is explain air preheater. So first of all, we shall see the working of air preheater. See friends. Now what is air preheater? These are the flue gases going out from the chimney. They are taken into this header. This is top header. This is the bottom header. Top and bottom header, they are holding the number of tubes, and through these red color tubes these flue gases are flowing from top to bottom and they are again sent back to chimney. So this is the flow of flue gases. Now coming to the air flow, say name is air preheater. The fresh air from the atmosphere is taken in, it flows like this, goes like this, it goes like this, and finally the hot air is the output of our system. Here you can see black colored, these are known as baffles. Function of baffles is to increase the heat transfer or to increase the holding time of air inside the shell. Holding time of air inside the shell. So it will hold the air for more time inside the shell. So it is nothing but increasing the heat transfer between air and the flue gas. What exactly happens is when the flue gases are flowing from the vertical tubes coming down, these are nothing but small ash particles, and from this opening they will be removed quite frequently, and the flue gas will going to the chimney as a waste. So this is the working I told you. Now let us come to some salient points. Friends, first point is, what is air preheater? It is a heat exchanger. It is known as accessory of the boiler. It increases efficiency of the boiler. These are the points I am giving you so that you can write in the answers. Now main function. It is used to heat fresh air used for combustion of the coal in furnace. So instead of providing the cold air directly for combustion, what we do is, by using the flue gases or waste flue gases, we are heating this fresh air. So fresh air temperature increases and it comes as hot air. So it is used to heat fresh air used for combustion of the coal in furnace. Next point is it has tubes for flue gases. See here, red color tubes where the flue gases flow through. It has shell for the air. See here, this is a big shell for the air. Flue gases goes waste if not used. Very important. If we are not using the flue gases, they will go in the air atmosphere and they will become waste. But we are getting heat from those waste gases. Baffles are provided in shell to increase holding time, that is to increase heat transfer. Heat transfer between what? Heat transfer between the fresh air and the flue gas. Some ash particles are always deposited from the flue gas and they are collected from the bottom of the shell as shown here. From the bottom of the shell, from this gate, these ash particles are removed quite frequently. It is not continuously open. Most important point is hot air is output that goes for combustion. And the last point you can add is used flue gas goes back to the chimney again. So friends, in this way we can study the air free heater. It is one kind of heat exchanger. Heat exchange takes place between the fresh air and the flue gas. Flue gas enters from the top and leaving from the bottom. Air enters from the bottom and leaving from the top. This hot air is our output. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be useful to you and don't forget to give your valuable feedbacks. Thank you.